PyTorch or TensorFlow. If you are confused as to which one you should be learning, then this short video is for you. So there's a research paper called A Comparative Survey of PyTorch versus TensorFlow, which was published in August 2025. So in this, if you see this diagram, it clearly shows that PyTorch dominates TensorFlow in the research sector, whereas in the industrial sector it lags behind TensorFlow, but only by a bit, like 10%. But there's another interesting stat. So if you see this diagram shows the monthly download of TensorFlow from the PyPy website. So you can see it has been downloaded close to an average of 900k times in the last 1 month, whereas for PyTorch, if you see for the same duration, it has been downloaded at an average of 2 million times in the last 1 month. Okay, so it is clear that PyTorch is getting more popular day by day, and the trend shows that it will surpass TensorFlow, or you can say it has nearly surpassed TensorFlow. So the conclusion is it is better to learn PyTorch. Thank you.